In the vast expanse of the cosmos, space presents us with intriguing mysteries. It is the boundless void that emerged from the Big Bang, leading to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. But what is space? Some consider it the sky we see above, while others see it as an infinite expanse stretching beyond our comprehension. As we look up at the stars, questions about Earth's shape arise. Is our planet flat, or is it round? This captivating exploration invites viewers to ponder the role of space in our existence and the undeniable truths hidden within our universe. Join us as we embark on this fascinating journey into the realms of space and its wonders.